Sheikh and I'm with my team eBus. We are here at Tree Lounge, which is located on the main road of Liberty. So if you're looking for something scrumptious and something delightful, then you should come here with your family and your friends. The ambiance is really nice for winters and the summers because they have indoor and outdoor sitting. So do come here. Let's go check it out. Manager of Tree Lounge, and we are going to have a little chit chat with him. Let's ask him some few questions. So just tell us about your restaurant and what are the special things about it?
Tree Lounge serving continental Thai Chinese food, and also we are providing high tea for most maximum for 70 to 80%. Maybe it can be possible for 150 to 200%. And we are also providing making cakes, fondant cakes, customized fondant cakes for birthday celebrations. And soon we will start our branch from 15th of October.
This one.
Yeah. It's very economical.
Okay. The prices would be reasonable, right? Okay. So tell us more about your decoration because it is quite famous for the decorative purposes. So yeah, just what ideas do you come up with when it comes to decoration?
We're providing all kind of decorations for bridal shower, birthday parties, also for baby showers, and for some wedding events also.
And how much items did you serve in your high tea?
Approximately 40 items.
40 items.
With desserts, salads, main courses, appetizers, soups, drinks, coffee, tea, green tea is also included.
It's really nice. So guys, we had really good time over here. Do come with your family and your friends. Do visit the Tree Lounge and see you next time with yet another exciting review of another restaurant.